Hey guys, so we're back here. We're getting to the final stages of our Redcliffe project and it's really exciting. This is one of the most exciting parts of all of our projects for me, and we're here. We've got Alison from the Green Boutique here today. So Alison's the landscape architect. We've worked with Alison for probably on and off 4 or 5 years now.
Absolutely, yeah.
Alison does incredible work. So landscaping is a little bit of a passion of mine, and we do it ourselves with our own carpenters and stuff on our site, so it's been a really good process for us to learn how to do it. But seeing how Alison turns, and we might be able to put in a shot of what this side of this hill looked like
before. Yes.
And so what Alison has turned it into, and the rest of the house and the other jobs we do, but what she does with landscaping and plants just blows my mind. So tell us a little bit, Alison, about, because the other thing that I guess people probably don't consider when they're doing plants, and I definitely didn't, but tell us about why you've chosen stuff for this site. Because we're right on the ocean here, we get a lot of wind, so talk us through a bit of your process and how you come up with these incredible designs.
I will. It's a very difficult site. It's on a massive slope and the water is just right there. So any plant that we're planting here has to cope with the salt. So the salt is the main problem, and the wind blowing onto this garden. So all these are mainly, that's not a native, but they're mainly natives, and they're all salt tolerant plants. They're also slightly heritage kind of plants in their look and feel to actually highlight the house at the same time. Yep. What we're also trying to do is get the colour for the seaside with lots of silvery coloured plants, white flowers, a little pop of pink, and a few tropical leaves to kind of bed that all into its location by the seaside. Yeah,
no, it's unbelievable. So Alison's here on site today. Obviously the plants have showed up, and so she's placing them for us. It's one thing that we've actually missed on most of the jobs we've done with Alison, so we gave her a call and got her to come out here, and I'm so glad we did, because we've learnt so much today. I never knew that plants had a face side.
Yeah.
So she's actually twisting them around and making sure they face the right direction and all sorts of things, but it's made a huge difference.
Yeah, it's those final details you can't see on a plan. A circle on a plan, it shows me where it's going, but it's not looking at that individual plant. So when that plant comes from the nursery, you want to look at it, see it, move it, twirl it, and actually make it know it's going to be happy in its home. It's going to stay here, you want it to flourish. And also you can change the placement. Designs change as you go through, and you can change the placement as you actually kind of foot them down. So we've got rolling plants coming through, spiky plants going through in a rhythm to kind of bed it all in together, hopefully.
Yeah, look, like I said, it's definitely a passion of mine, and I think it's one thing, like the reason I'm probably more passionate about, like we build these incredible homes, and so often we finish the house and the yard's just left dirt. There's no fencing, there's no landscaping, and it's sort of that last little bit that you really need to do and to allow for to finish your home off. And like being able to get you involved and the incredible work that you do, and this one here is just unbelievable. I want to move in here. But,
I think we all do.
Yeah, no, I really appreciate it, Alison.
Thank you.
And look forward to working with you on the next one.
Thank you.